Are your vehicle's speakers falling short? Maybe the chimes sound distorted or your music lacks clarity. When it comes to restoring your GM vehicle's audio system, nothing beats using a GM recommended replacement speaker from ACDelco. These speakers deliver the same quality and reliability you expect from original factory parts, ensuring your sound system performs like new again. I remember dealing with burned-out front door speakers on my 2007 Yukon XL. The chimes and alerts became muffled, and the overall sound quality was disappointing. Switching to ACDelco's GM OE replacement speakers made an immediate difference. They fit perfectly without any modifications, and the crisp, clear sound returned instantly. It's reassuring to know these parts are manufactured to exact GM OE specifications, guaranteeing the right fit, form, and function every time. ACDelco offers nearly 90,000 auto parts across 37 product lines, but their speakers stand out for anyone looking to maintain or improve their vehicle's audio system. These parts are built for durability and designed to meet the high standards set by GM. Whether you're replacing worn-out speakers or upgrading your sound system, ACDelco's GM OE speakers provide consistent performance and long-lasting reliability. Worth a look if you want hassle-free installation and authentic sound restoration. If you're ready to bring back the original sound quality of your GM vehicle, ACDelco's GM OE replacement speakers are a smart choice. They combine the trusted durability of GM parts with a direct fit that saves time and effort. Try them when you're ready to hear every note and chime exactly as your vehicle intended.